After 25 years in the green industry and a PhD in this field, I can tell you one thing. Some of the most popular trees in American landscapes are a complete mistake. They crack in storms. They crawl into your foundation. And some are flat out illegal to sell in certain states. Today, I'm giving you 12 trees I'll never plant again. Number 1. The Bradford Pear. Homeowners love it. Fast-growing, cheap, loaded with spring flowers. But that speed means weak wood. The tight branch structure splits itself apart in the first bad storm, usually right around year 15. And it's become one of the most invasive trees in the country. Try a serviceberry or an eastern redbud instead. Number 2. The Mimosa Tree. Those pink feathery flowers are gorgeous, I'll admit. But it's a weed tree with a publicist. It seeds itself everywhere, along ditches and fence lines, and it's short-lived and disease-prone. Plant one, and you'll spend a decade pulling up its children. Go with a redbud or a fringe tree instead. Number 3, and this one gets hate every time, the Crepe Myrtle. It's massively overused, entire streets planted with the same tree, and monoculture is exactly how disease spreads. Add Crepe Myrtle bark scale and sooty mold from aphids, and you've got a multi-year treatment problem. There are newer dwarf, scale-resistant cultivars, but as a blanket choice, it's not my first pick. Number 4. Bamboo. Technically a grass, but people plant it as a screen anyway. It earns its keep for about 1 year, then the running rhizomes spread under your fence, into the neighbor's yard, through the patio. I've seen it destroy friendships. Use arborvitae for a fast, dense screen without the lawsuit. Number 5. The Chinese Elm. It grows fast and tolerates poor soil, but fast growth usually means weak, messy wood, brittle branches, constant seedling sprouts, and it's invasive across much of the country. Go with a disease-resistant native elm, or just plant a red maple. Number 6. The Sweet Gum. Beautiful starfish-shaped leaves, but 2 words explain the problem: gumballs. Thousands of spiky seed pods that you can't mow or rake easily, and they roll people right off their feet. The roots are shallow and buckle sidewalks. Look for the fruitless Rotunda loba cultivar, or plant a sugar maple instead. Number 7. The Sycamore. Gorgeous mottled bark on mature trees, but it's a year-round cleanup job. Big leaves, shedding bark, hanging seed balls, season after season. Beautiful in a park setting, but next to a driveway, you'll never stop sweeping. Try native black gum or a native oak instead. Number 8. The Silver Maple. Fast-growing, weak wood, you know where this is going. These trees drop limbs in storms, they're short-lived, and they have some of the most aggressive shallow roots in the industry, lifting driveways and invading sewer lines. Use its cousin, the red maple, or a sugar maple instead, slower, stronger, and they'll outlive the house. Number 9. The Cottonwood. It grows incredibly fast and gives you shade in a hurry. But the trade-off is weak wood, aggressive water-seeking roots, and in early summer, female trees release cottony fluff that coats your entire yard. It looks like it snowed in June. If you need something tidier, go with oaks or a native red maple. Number 10. The Ginkgo tree. Once mature, it's genuinely beautiful, fan-shaped leaves that turn golden in fall. But ginkgo is dioecious, separate male and female plants. Get a female, and the fruit that drops smells like rotting garbage. Genuinely, one of the worst smells in horticulture. The fix is simple: never plant a seedling ginkgo. Buy a named male cultivar, like Autumn Gold or Princeton Century. All of the beauty, none of the stink. Number 11 is technically a shrub, but people let it grow into trees, so it makes the list: privet. It's one of the most invasive plants in the entire southeast. Dense thickets that choke out every native plant around them. Birds spread the seeds everywhere, and it's a nightmare to eradicate. Yet it's still sold in garden centers. Choose a native holly instead, oakleaf holly or Nellie Stevens holly. And we'll finish with the weeping willow. Romantic, beautiful by the lake, I get it. But the roots are shallow, aggressive, and travel long distances looking for water, straight into septic tanks and drain lines. The wood is weak, constantly dropping branches, and the tree is short-lived and messy. If you've got a wet spot, plant a river birch or bald cypress instead. Both love wet feet, both tough as nails. So there you have it, 12 trees I will never use again after 25 years of doing this for a living. Here's the big takeaway. A tree is one of the longest decisions you'll ever make in your landscape. Before you buy one because it was cheap, fast, or pretty at the garden center, ask yourself, what's it going to do in 20 years? In 30? Drop a comment and let me know which of these trees are growing in your yard right now, along with your USDA zone and state. Like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.